in game development. This is when it's getting easier and easier. So it's last but not least on my list of out of the box thinking right here. And it might sound a bit intimidating, especially if you're not a tech whiz, but hear me out. With the plethora of user-friendly app development tools that are out there, even those of us with the most basic, heck, with no technical skills, can create engaging and useful mobile applications or games. And especially with the advent of AI, it's gotten simple where some folks can draw it out on a piece of paper. Here's what I want it to do, and here's what I want it to look like, and AI takes over. I want you to think about simple problem-solving apps and maybe fun, addictive games, either one, right? The app world is vast, and it's always changing, so there's always room for new, innovative ideas. Is there been something you thought about if there was just an app for this? Create it.